To Long Beach, the Los Alamitos Harbor has many iconic places. To boaters, the entrance jetties are a welcome home sign. The peninsula serves as a backyard for some and beach access for others. The 2nd Street Bridge is a gateway to Mother's Beach and Marine Stadium, and the Appian Way Bridge connects us to Naples. As we head down towards Spinnaker Bay, we make our way to Jellyfish Cove. And further back towards the Studebaker Channel, we find our precious Los Cerritos wetlands. People have been using the Los Alamitos Harbor for recreation for over 100 years. Kayakers, rowers, stand-up paddlers, boaters, and sailors have made these waters their destination for various aquatic activities. But before all of them, a great variety of animals have made this bay their home. As we sink below the surface, we find a world we could have only imagined. Our delicate ecosystem is made possible by calm, shallow water and plenty of sediment. Due to its popularity with egg-laying and shelter-seeking aquatic animals, an extremely important and threatened plant, eelgrass, likes to grow in a thin strip of water that starts at approximately 4 feet deep and extends to around 15 feet. This is deep enough that it will not be directly affected by the tides, yet shallow enough that it can receive ample sunlight. Unfortunately, this is also a highly desirable area for docks to be built. For this reason, eelgrass is considered a federally protected plant. Here, we observe sea hares congregating to lay and fertilize eggs. Each female can produce up to 80 million eggs. These slow-moving gastropods are relatives of land snails and slugs. Different colors denote their age. With few natural predators, these mollusks have little defense against humans. They have a slimy texture and can release a burst of purple ink in order to deter a predator. Another invertebrate found among the eelgrass is a navinax. Their bright colors advertise danger. This juvenile needs every advantage it can get if it is to survive to adulthood. Here is a clutch of navinax eggs waving in the current, attached to an eelgrass frond. With a sharp sense of smell and some very sharp, strong teeth, the navinax crawls along the bottom, searching for the elusive moon snail. Seen here is a shell of an adult moon snail, but we caught up with a juvenile further down the beach. Spring has arrived, so these shelled animals are starting to lay their eggs. Combining sand and mud with mucus, the moon snail creates a harder outer casing for the eggs inside. The holes we find littering the sand are those of ghost shrimp and razor clams. To see them, we would need to remove them from their homes, which would disturb their rest. The smoke released from these vents is due to either animal digging deeper. The only evidence we have is the molting of a large ghost shrimp. Whenever humans place anything in the water, organisms grow on it. We call these microecosystems fouling communities. Seen here are mussels, barnacles, tunicates, bryozoans, encrusting sponges, ulva, and various species of algae, along with a few animals that are considered visitors. The bat stars and ochre stars we find here prey upon mussels. The Long Beach Marine Institute is an organization dedicated to the research and preservation of this unique habitat. By educating the public, we hope to instill a sense of wonder and respect for Los Alamitos Harbor.